friends, Miss Wendy here with a fun craft, a flying bat. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the library, you will find one length of yarn, a paper roll with holes punched in it, 2 beads,
and 2 googly eyes,
and a bat template. You'll also need some additional items: coloring materials, scissors, and glue or a glue stick. All right, let's clear off our workspace and get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and color in our bat. Now, you can use a marker, colored pencil, crayon, and you can make your bat any color that you want. I just like black for a bat, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to use marker. So whatever it is you'd like, go ahead and start coloring. All right, and once you've colored in the front, you can go ahead and color in the back. Now you'll notice that you can see the actual outline of the bat and also what you've colored. So you can go ahead and color in all of the area that on the front is black, including the outline. So go ahead and color. All right, and so you'll see on the back, I just colored in everywhere that I saw some black or some outline. I didn't even bother to follow the exact shape of the bat because I'm gonna turn it over and there's the shape of the bat, and I am going to cut this out around the outline there. So go ahead and get your scissors and start cutting. Okay, and I'm just gonna move this aside for now. All right, so here's your bat, and you can decide, oh my goodness, look at this. So we didn't get all of the back of the bat, and I would like to. So I'm gonna put something down to protect my workspace, and I'm going to color these spots in. All right, so I think I got all of the color on there that I'd like. And now we're going to decide on which side you would like to be the front of your bat, and we're gonna put the eyes on. So if you wanna use liquid glue, you could do that. I like using glue stick. So put your glue on the back of your eyes and then stick them on your bat. Let this dry for a bit. So I'm gonna put it over here. And now we're gonna work with our paper roll here. So go ahead, and if you want to make your paper roll black, go ahead and color it in. I colored mine. I even tried to color the inside. All right, my friends, so now we're gonna bring over our yarn. If you need some help with this from a grown-up or even a piece of tape, you can wrap the tape around so that'll make it easier to put through the holes. So we have it going through this hole and the bottom as well, like that. And then the other side, we're going to put the other end through the top, and there it is, and we can grab it and put it through the bottom like that. Okay, so right now you have a loop on the top, and then you have 2 ends on the bottom. We're gonna attach those beads to the ends, so put your string or your yarn through the bead and go ahead and tie it on with a knot. So 1 tie, and then very tightly tie the second so that it stays.
even tie it a 3rd time to be safe.
There we go. And if you want, you can clip this part off.
But not too close to the knot.
And same with the other bead. There we go. So now our bat is going to go on our paper tube. Also, if you want to curl the wings, you can do that with your marker or with a pencil. If you want to curl your wings just a little bit, I would do it before you glue it on. And so now you see where the glue is going to go, right underneath on here. So I'm just going to use this as my guide and put lots of glue on my paper roll so that my bat will stick on. If your paper roll bends a little bit, that's okay. And now I'm going to put my bat on my paper roll and hold it in place for a little bit until it adheres. All right, and once it's dry, you are ready to play. While it's drying, go ahead and clean up your workspace. All right, nice job, everybody. So my friends, I hope you had so much fun making your flying bat. I hope you'll join us here at the library and for some more DIY craft events right here on our YouTube channel. Please check our calendar for our upcoming programming. Have a great day, friends, and thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.